Assalamu Walaikum. In this video I will show you how to remove blank rows in Microsoft Excel. Let's get started. You can remove manually this blank row. Just keep the cursor on the number and just click and press the control button from keyboard and just click blank rows and right click on the row and hit delete. But I will remove all blank row at a time. Select the all sheet and press the ctrl Z and click special, check mark the blanks and click OK and go to home menu, click delete cell and hit delete sheet rows. Now all blank row deleted. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching.